Welcome to the topic series. Today we're talking about Wildland goggles, and we're talking about Paulson model 510 WEA. This model of goggle has an elastic strap, soft silicone frame, hard-coated lens, anti-fog to the interior, bezel that wraps all around the lens and keeps the goggle lens secure to the frame, and has a unique feature that we're going to highlight in this particular example, and that is the mounting kit that comes with it. This mounting kit includes Velcro pads and then strap clips that come with it to control the strap assembly. And I'll show you how to install this on your helmet. In the attachment kit that comes with this model, we have 2 of these strap retainers, and we have 2 high-strength Velcro pads. There's also 1 of these alcohol prep pads. We use the alcohol prep pad to clean the helmet before we attach these 2 Velcro pads. Turn the helmet upside down and peel the backing off of the Velcro pad. Choose a symmetrical location for the 2 sides and apply. Once those are attached, then place your strap retainer on the underside and push it right into the Velcro. After installing the pads and putting the strap adapters in place, turn your helmet over, place the goggle over the top of the helmet. Pull the goggle below the brim as if you were to wear it. Now, place the strap into these little strap adapters by sliding it into the groove and pulling it into place. Do this repeated on the second side. Now we've created a strap retainer system that you can see how the strap runs. The strap runs across, down, and back up. Now when you're to wear it, the strap is in a perfect, comfortable position for wearing. You put the goggle to the top of the helmet, it stays in place, and you'll notice that the goggle cannot fall off of your helmet any position that you put the helmet into.